Hello everyone, this is Professor Raghavendra Adhyapak, KLS Kukti College of Commerce, Belagavi. So in the last class we studied about how the taxes affects on the return, correct? So we already solved one simple problem also on calculation of the post-tax rate of return, correct? So in today's class we are going to start with a taxable equivalent yield. So first we'll see what is taxable equivalent yield. So before going to this topic, I will little bit clarify about these things. Okay. So what will happen in the case of investment? Okay. So there are basically, we can classify the investment into two types. One is taxable and another one is tax free. Okay. What it means, on certain investment the tax is applicable. Okay, so whatever return or a yield we get on that bonds or that securities, on that we have to pay the tax. Another type is tax free. Okay, so tax free means there is no any tax is applicable. Okay, so for example, one is टैक्स फ्री बॉन्ड है एंड वन इज कॉर्पोरेट का बॉन्ड्स है विच आर टैक्सेबल. ओके, सो व्हेन यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस और टू चॉइस ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट where one is taxable and another one is tax free, so comparison of these two investments is difficult, correct? Why it is difficult? Because on one the tax is applicable, so due to the tax effects its rate of return change, and another one which is tax free and it feels like it's a little bit more, correct? So like that, when on one investment tax is applicable and another investment the tax is not applicable, then comparison between those two investment will become difficult. Okay, we cannot exactly identify the return. Okay, so to avoid that and to make the both investment in a equal, okay, in a equal for a comparison, this taxable equivalent yield is used. Okay, so what will happen in this taxable equivalent yield? Whatever tax free investments are there, that tax free are converted into taxable. मतलब क्या है? For example, there is a bond of 10% on which it is tax free. Okay, there is no taxable tax on that bond. Okay, so what will happen in the taxable equivalent yield? So such 10% tax free bonds will be converted into taxable. Means what? अगर उस बॉन्ड के ऊपर टैक्स अप्लीकेबल हो रहा है, देन इसका रिटर्न क्या होता है? So that will be calculated. Okay, so once we got the taxable equivalent value, then we'll compare it with the taxable investment, correct? So दोनों एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म में आ जाता है, right? They will become a equivalent to compare. Okay, so by which we can easily identify the which one is good. Okay, so that process of conversion of tax free investments into a taxable investment, then it is known as a taxable equivalent yield. Okay, so we do it only for the comparison purpose. Okay, compare करने के लिए टैक्स फ्री और टैक्सेबल इस दोनों के बीच में कंपेयर करने के लिए क्या करते हैं हम? इस टैक्सेबल इक्विवेलेंट यील्ड का मेथड हम यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ विल सी व्हाट इट सेज. In case of tax-free investment like bonds, no tax is to be paid on the annual interest of the income, correct? So interest income is exempted from the tax. Okay, here we can calculate the taxable equivalent yield to compare with the investment of the yield of which is taxable. Okay, so हम क्या compare कर रहे हैं? Yield of the tax free with the yield of a taxable. Okay, so taxable equivalent yield is equivalent pre-tax yield of the tax free investment. So it can be calculated using the following formula. Okay, so taxable equivalent yield. So बहुत कुछ confusion ऐसा आपको लग रहा होगा क्योंकि थोड़ा technical words है, but in simple terms just to understand that taxable equivalent yield is nothing but conversion of the tax free investment into a taxable investment for the purpose of comparison. Okay, so compare करने के लिए tax free को क्या करते हैं हम? taxable में क्या करते हैं हम? convert करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? taxable equivalent yield. Okay, so in simple words, what is the formula? The formula is tax-free rate of return divided by 1 minus tax rate. Okay, so we will see one example. If tax-free rate is 10% and the investor is in a 30% tax bracket, then taxable equivalent yield will be. So what is the taxable equivalent yield they're asking? Okay, so whatever the information they given, first we'll see what is the given. Tax-free rate of return is how much? 10%. Tax is how much? 30%. What they want? Taxable equivalent yield, right? So what is the formula to calculate the taxable equivalent yield? Tax-free rate divided by 1 minus tax rate. Okay, so what is the tax-free rate of return? That is 10%. So 10% means 0.10, right? Divided by 1 minus tax rate. Tax rate is how much? 30%, means 0.30, correct? So 0.10 divided by how much? 1 minus 0.30 is 0.70, right? 0.10 divided by 0.70 is equal to 0.143. So what 143? It is in decimal. We want in the percentage, right? So what is the percentage we got? 14.3%. मतलब क्या? अभी टैक्स फ्री रेट ऑफ रिटर्न का बॉन्ड अगर उसके ऊपर टैक्स एप्लीकेबल हो रहा है, देन उसका यील्ड क्या होता है? 14.3% होता है.